it for me.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today I wanted to show you guys how to really lay your wig like a pro, like get everything super flat and laid. So the first product I'm going in with is water. Of course, what this will do is just help the hair to, you know, just bring it down really flat, and we're gonna try our best to dry it in a way where it stays this flat. So using water really helps with this portion, and after doing this I pretty much just follow up with a blow dryer. Nothing is added in the water. So after doing this, I took my blow dryer, and this is a very important part, a very important tool in this process, and I take my comb. Now the heat as well as the comb is like, while combing it, that helps stretching the hair and helping it to lay flat, and the heat helps it to stay down. So it's like the motion that I'm doing along with blow drying the hair at the same time is like everything just goes together, and that's kind of what helps the hair to stay flat. Because initially when I colored this hair, because that's the first tutorial I did with this wig, I did not lay it flat. Like it still had a little bumpy lump up in the top, and that's pretty common with like every wig. So yeah, but I didn't mind. So after I pretty much finished with blow drying, I went in with my mousse from Soft Sheen Carson, and this helps with adding a little bit more sheen. And by the way, if you guys don't remember, this is the Beyonce inspired blunt bob Brazilian virgin ombre lace wig, okay, and it's from rpghair.com. Of course, I then follow up with, you know, just, you know, running my flat iron through it so that everything kind of looks bone straight, because I really wanted that bone straight look today for this wig. The first time I rocked it, it was straight, but you know, I wanted it to be even straighter and have that very fine flowy look, you know. In the front there was a little bit of flyaways there, so I used my hairspray from Pink Luster, and I used a brush to kind of just, you know, make sure everything was laying in one direction. And trust me, right here, it's like it was just like laying so beautifully. The hair, I don't know if it's because I blow dried or what, but it flowed even more. From the beginning when I received this wig, it was always so flowy, but I don't know, man, I guess with the whole process with blow drying it and then flat ironing it, the movement was like butter. So I really love that. After doing all of that, I went ahead and just dragged the wig on. Now I did not use any gel. I don't usually use lace glue or anything like that, but I didn't use any gel to help this wig to stay on my head today. I just used the combs, and that's because I managed to make it like lay so flat. So I was really happy with that. I didn't have to use any gel or anything, so trust me, it's definitely a win for me. I just went ahead and kind of just adjusted the wig to my liking on my head, and that was pretty much it, guys. So yeah, by the way, if you're wondering, the length of this wig is 12 inches, and also RPG is having a big summer sale right now. You get 30% off everything, guys, okay? So go ahead, make use of that. My direct page link will be in the description box. It will be the first link. Go ahead, check it out. Oh, the sale ends on the 13th of August, so please make use of that. And yeah, all the specifications of this wig will also be listed, and as usual, go ahead and use my discount code SUE15 and Petite-10. So go ahead, try it out, let me know how it works out for you, and leave your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, bye.